hold up. Didn't you sell your Corvette? Yep. But I had a bunch of videos left that I totally forgot about, and we're about to produce them. So, Corvette material on the way. Here we go. Enjoy. Alright, now these next few minutes, listen to this ticking sound or clanking sound. It's not the sound of the headers or exhaust heating up. This was a deliberate clanking sound that you could feel actually if you touch the car, and you can hear it distinctly. This is one of the reasons that I finally decided that I got to let this thing go. Beautiful car, but this ticking was not explainable to me according to what GM told me. It was fuel injectors or something like that pushing fuel, which I just thought was pure bullshit. Now listen again and hear this clink, clink. Oh well. In any case, the rest of these videos aren't about bashing the Corvette. This is using the rest of my footage to show the time that I had and enjoyed with the Grand Sport. So, let's do this. Yeah, I'm gonna get these chickens, this cake, bananas, a couple of these potatoes. Bake these later.
Summary receiving please call 74044. Store report, summary receiving please. be out. Where's the sandwich meat at? Let's see if they got these Ransworths over here. They got Blockwurst. Maybe I'll try one of these. Uncured beef Blockwurst. Uncured beef Frankfurt. Let's try one of these Blockwurst. It looks sort of like Ransworth. It's $7. Damn, they better be good. We're gonna have a problem. Let's try to get some, I don't know what a lunch meat stuff is that. Day. Damn, I'm surprised there's nobody in here. Let me get some breakfast food. Lower sodium now. I want all my sodium. If I'm gonna eat bacon, let's eat bacon. I am gonna go with the turkey sausage though. See, I'm trying to do it halfway right. Turkey sausage. And I'm gonna get some sandwich stuff. This stuff always goes to waste. This is why I don't do grocery shopping, man. Always goes to waste. I'm wasting my money. See how good I'm doing? I got bread. Look at those ding dongs. I should get them big. Nope. I'm on a mission. Oscar Mayer wiener dog. That thing was at this thing was at the Codas. That shit don't look safe to ride in, actually. It's cool though. But they hot dogs suck. Oh, damn, look at that vest sitting over there. What shit is that? Oh. See if we can fit this little bitty groceries in this hatchback, which I know it will, but damn, I got the little bird shit. Got the bird poop. He got me. Oh yeah, that's easy breezy right there. Where's that cake? And where's that chicken? Gotta go in here. You want to keep the car smelling new. not smelling, get you one of these. It was 20 bucks, but it's well worth it. All you gotta do is seal it, keep the smell in, and the food warm. I don't think anything else in here is fillable. Yeah, we got cake, potatoes. Yeah, that stuff, that should be okay. And that was $46. Well spent. Now I just got to make sure I eat this stuff. So we out, YouTube.